What's up guys, in this video we'll be going over the Nike training kit. The kit comes with a speed rope, a long length medium resistance band, a circular band, and a storage bag. The speed rope included has a translucent rope with, unlike the speed rope that is sold separately. The resistance band is identical to the old resistance band that Nike used to sell. The only difference is the length. The one sold separately in the green/black vault colorway is about 5 inches longer than the one included in the kit. Now before we get to the next item, we do have some paperwork, but surprisingly it only goes over the resistance band with the handle. It quickly goes over the different muscle groups you can exercise, as you can see here. Now let's take a look at the circular band. Now this is a pretty hard resistance band. I have never seen it sold separately on Nike or any other store. It seems to be like an exclusive item that only comes with the kit. I don't really know what muscle groups besides the delts that can benefit from this band, but comment any recommendations in the comments. Now the very last thing is the storage bag that's included with the kit, and it's nothing really special. Just buying the resistance band and speed rope separately would be paying the same amount as this kit alone, so in my eyes it's pretty much a value pack. But that's pretty much it guys. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe. Thanks.